Eho, does Brittany K look like she plays make-believe? No, I don't. Y'all can go somewhere with that. I'm a one-woman band.
Sorry, Brother Enigma. Disco Ray wishes he could, but he spends too much time on the dance floor. You know what he's saying?
Nope. You should have gotten motivated when you had the chance.
I'm gonna have to politely decline. I got a lot of other stuff on my plate right now.
I've got prior obligations.
You want the King J.R. Lindsay to join a superhero team? With all disrespect, fuck off.
No, wait. Tell us about that new EP coming out.
Yup, I mean A to B, my new EP, with me, Little Ant, and B Wizzle, dropping November 8th. Definitely something to check out. I'm sorry, I gotta go. I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm sorry. I'm sorry, excuse me.
We'll be right back with a word from our sponsors. Did you get his call?
I sure did.
Are you gonna be there?
In the name of justice.